ORICO surge protector with USB charger. Small but enough to protect against electric surge overcharge. Charges multiple devices. Never worry about shortage of outlets. Power 4 USB devices and other electronics simultaneously. Minimalism design, beautiful chassis. Safety priority, unibody copper board design. Against 5 kinds of electric surges. Put safety first, multi-safety protection system. Smart and sleek buttons, switch of overload protection. Large plug space with 38 millimeters in length. Accommodate with various plugs. ORICO, leading technology.